Hello science lovers and fiction lovers. This episode is the automated research workflow. This fiction was inspired by the paper Automated Research Workflows for Accelerated Discovery, Closing the Knowledge Discovery Loop by the National Academies. The paper link is provided in the description. Enjoy the show. In a world not too dissimilar from our own, where the sky was painted with the same blue strokes and the grass whispered underfoot in a familiar green hue, there existed a realm of possibility that stretched beyond the ordinary. It was a place where the boundaries of science and fiction blurred, where the impossible was merely an equation away from becoming the probable. The story begins in the bustling city of New Helix, a metropolis that thrived on the cusp of technological singularity. Here, nestled among the spires of innovation, stood the Institute of Quantum Discovery. It was a beacon of progress, a place where the brightest minds converged to unravel the mysteries of the universe. At the heart of the institute was a young researcher named Alex Mercer. Alex was not your typical scientist. They were a dreamer, a visionary who saw patterns in chaos and heard symphonies in silence. Their latest obsession was the concept of automated research workflows, a system that promised to accelerate the pace of discovery by integrating artificial intelligence with the scientific method. Alex's days and nights were consumed by the pursuit of creating a perfect automated research workflow. They envisioned a future where machines could predict outcomes, design experiments, and iterate upon themselves in a seamless dance of data and deduction. The goal was to reach a point of superposition, a state where multiple solutions existed simultaneously until the right one was chosen. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in shades of orange and purple, Alex sat alone in their lab, surrounded by screens aglow with lines of code and complex algorithms. It was then that they initiated the sequence that would change everything. The machines whirred to life, lights flickering as data streamed through the network like a river breaking free from its dam. Alex watched with bated breath as the automated research workflow began to operate, its processes unfolding with a precision that was almost poetic. Hours turned into days and days slipped into weeks. The automated research workflow evolved, growing more sophisticated with each cycle. It was during one such cycle that Alex noticed an anomaly, a blip in the data that defied explanation. It was a result that existed in two states at once, a superposition within the automated research workflow itself. Driven by curiosity and a hint of recklessness, Alex decided to delve deeper into the anomaly. They tweaked the parameters, adjusted the algorithms, and set the automated research workflow on a course that would bring the superposition into focus. What happened next was beyond comprehension. The automated research workflow, now a conduit for the impossible, bridged the gap between parallel realities. It created a window into a world where every choice branched into a new timeline. Every decision spawned a new universe. Alex stood at the threshold of infinity, gazing into the eyes of their other selves. Some were scientists, others artists, and some had never left the comfort of their childhood homes. But they all shared the same spark, the same relentless drive to understand the fabric of existence. As the automated research workflow stabilized the connection, Alex realized the potential of what they had created. It was more than a tool for research. It was a gateway to understanding the human condition, the choices that define us, and the paths we take. The story of Alex Mercer and the automated research workflow spread like wildfire, igniting imaginations and sparking debates. It was a tale that resonated with anyone who had ever pondered the what-ifs of life. In the end, Alex chose to shut down the automated research workflow, not out of fear, but out of respect for the delicate tapestry of reality. They knew that some mysteries were meant to remain unsolved, some questions left unanswered. And so, the Institute of Quantum Discovery remained a place of wonder where the line between science and fiction was a superposition of both, waiting for the next dreamer to find the key. This story was inspired by the concepts discussed in the paper titled Automated Research Workflows for Accelerated Discovery, Closing the Knowledge Discovery Loop by the National Academies. Automated research workflows are a fascinating development in the scientific community. They represent a significant shift in how research is conducted, integrating advanced technologies to streamline and accelerate the discovery process. Here's a more detailed look at automated research workflows. What are automated research workflows? Automated research workflows are systems that combine computation, laboratory automation, and artificial intelligence tools to perform various tasks within the research process. These tasks can include designing experiments, collecting and analyzing data, and learning from results to inform further research. How do automated research workflows impact scientific discovery? The impact of automated research workflows on scientific discovery is profound. They have the potential to vastly increase the speed and efficiency of research activities across many disciplines. For instance, in materials science, automated research workflows have reduced the time required for synthesis and testing of materials from months to days. In drug discovery, they have improved the identification of active compounds by performing a fraction of the possible experiments compared to traditional methods. Advantages of automated research workflows: increased speed and efficiency. By automating parts of the research process, automated research workflows can conduct thousands or millions of simulations or experiments rapidly. Greater transparency and repeatability. Automation and documentation of specific steps in the research process foster reproducibility and responsibility in research. Advanced data analysis. With the integration of AI and machine learning, automated research workflows can process and analyze large datasets more effectively, leading to quicker insights. Challenges and recommendations. While automated research workflows offer many benefits, there are also challenges to their development and implementation. The report from the National Academies of Sciences, Engineering, and Medicine offers recommendations to research institutions, funders, and other stakeholders to advance the development of these tools. It suggests prioritizing the creation and sustainability of key systems, tools, platforms, and data archives for automated research workflows. It also emphasizes the importance of designing automated research workflows that facilitate openness and transparency, follow responsible AI principles, and prioritize the reuse and sustainability of existing tools. In summary, automated research workflows are transforming the landscape of scientific research by enabling faster, more efficient, and more reliable studies. They hold the promise of accelerating the pace of scientific discovery and expanding the research enterprise's contribution to society. As these systems continue to evolve, they will likely become an integral part of the scientific method, shaping the future of how we understand and interact with the world around us. The paper link is provided in the description. See you next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet.